The District Disaster Management Authority conducted a mock drill at the Secretariat and Additional Secretariat to train people on emergency preparedness. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, R.M. Korba, emphasized the importance of such drills, citing the state's location in Zone 5. Korba stated that preparedness is crucial for handling potential challenges and ensuring timely medical treatment for the injured. The mock drill aimed to enhance preparedness, improve response time, and foster resilience among district authorities, emergency services, and stakeholders.
Such incident happens, you are aware of what is behind the scenes, because most of the time the public or even us as the officers, various officers, we are not aware of what exactly the disaster management agency or SDMF or any other agency that is involved in ensuring that life is safe and that the injured are taken to the hospital or for first aid or any kind of necessary action that is required